This segment is sponsored by the Mortgage Link and Eastern Title and Settlement. The real estate top performers have some information about the local housing market. I spoke to Lisa Reach, who is a realtor at Compass. But first, we're actually going to hear from Pierce Cook of the Mortgage Link with your mortgage deal of the day. Pierce and Lisa, great to see you guys. Pierce, I'm going to toss it over to you first. What's our deal for today?
Good morning, Ellen. So the deal of the day is a purchase price of $685,000 with 20% down payment, a credit score of 740. That gives you a loan amount of $548,000 with an interest rate of 3% and an APR of 3.083%. And that's a 30-day rate lock for a purchase transaction anywhere here in the DC metropolitan area.
Okay, excellent. All right, we got to take advantage of that one today. Lisa, I want to ask you about the DC housing market. I feel like it comes up just in general conversation right now. What are you seeing with the housing market?
We are still seeing sort of the trifecta of historically low interest rates, the dearth of inventory, and then sort of unprecedented buyer demand. So we sort of have these three things happening at the same time. And, you know, the median price for a detached single family home in DC is up 40% from last year. Wow. So, wow. Yes, so that's from Urban Turf, that little nugget. So we're just seeing still more buyers than there are sellers. So things are getting absorbed into the marketplace really, really quickly.
Is that out in the suburbs more, I would assume, if it's a detached single family house?
You know, I do most of my work in close in Bethesda and upper Northwest DC. And surprisingly, we usually saw homes in Potomac and farther out sitting longer, but they're not sitting either. There's people who want to get out of the city now. We're sort of seeing both. People want to come back in and be able to walk places, but then we're also seeing people who want more space. Obviously, you've heard about the demand for pools, which is always sort of a dicey. Is that something that buyers want? And now we're seeing that everyone's like, I'd love a pool if I could have some and some land.
Wow. Pierce, I know you're seeing kind of the same thing with the market right now.
Yeah, you know, there's been some volatility in the interest rates, but the rates are still very low. They're still near the all-time lows. And so, you know, to get in the house of your dreams, it really takes that experienced team. And so you need a great realtor like Lisa. You need a very experienced team of people to work with you. And, you know, you get a great loan officer, you get a great realtor, you get started early, get yourself fully vetted by your lender, you know, fully pre-approved, and then go out there and work hard to get that house and to win a contract. And, you know, you need a local lender like the Mortgage Link, 20 years in the market. We've helped thousands of borrowers get into homes. You know, we close on time with great service and great competitive interest rates, and you get yourself a team together, and that's really the way to win in this market.
Yeah, surround yourself with the right people for this process. Yeah. Can we give Lisa any tips to our viewers at home? Maybe they're thinking of selling. What would be some tips for them to create like the best appeal for the biggest audience?
Yeah, we're still leaning into the neutral palette. It's a pretty sophisticated buyer out there now. Everyone watches a lot of HGTV. So everyone really wants, we're still in the sort of gray, blue palette. We're sort of pulling away from those warm colors. So I definitely recommend, obviously, you need to declutter. You need to take at least 2/3 of the items out of your closets just to make them look fresh and big. White kitchens are still in. People still want the white cabinetry. I'm selling a house right now in Chevy Chase, and one of the big projects we're doing is painting the kitchen white. Nobody really wants the brown cabinets anymore. Yep. And then the fresh colors, obviously a deep clean, you know, the usual stuff. You sort of you need to put a hat on that says, what would I be looking for if I were a buyer? So how we sell is not how we live. So we
Lisa, that sounds great. Can you come over to my house and you know, just put it all together and new client right now, look at that.
Totally. And I think that too, when I go to help a seller prep a house, you know, and a curb appeal, still those classics. People still are looking for, when you walk up, what's the vibe? What's the energy? How do you feel about the property the minute you step foot? People obviously know pretty much within the first 15 minutes if this is going to feel right for them.
Right.
So, you know, the biggies, painting, decluttering. And then we stage, my team at the Dana Rice Group, we offer complimentary staging. And I cannot
that helps too.
Know how strongly that impacts the house and its ability to sell quickly. I mean, medium number of days houses have been on the market. This spring market is 6.
Wow.
So staging goes a long way. I know. Goes a long way toward making people sort of visualize where their furniture would go and how they'd live in the space.
Thank you for those tips. Thank you so much, and Pierce, for that deal of the day. Great to see you both.
Thank you.
Enjoy your day.
All right, so the mortgage deal of the day is on your screen. Call now to take advantage. It's 833-MTG-LINK or visit themtglink.com. And don't forget to also follow the Real Estate Top Performers on YouTube.